In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to click on fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Now tap on face unlock, enter your current login method. Hit start, wait 5 seconds to choose next in attention pop-up, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then name your face data however you wish to, hit done and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!